We've been walking, averaging I think 3 to 4 miles a day. Been walking more actually since all our friends have left because there's not as much to do. And we're also swimming every day, both Olive and myself. Olive is an incredible swimmer for a pug and a little dog. She loves it too. She didn't at first. She was afraid of it. I think being a rescue dog, a street dog from Arizona, she probably never saw a drop of water. She was lucky to get water to drink. So I think I introduced her to swimming, and now it's really taken on. And now she really loves it. Olive, come on. Good girl. So we're trying to get in shape, be in shape. Olive's been in shape. I'm a yo-yo. My weight goes up and down a lot. And also my physical fitness. Even when I'm heavier, I'm still pretty active. So I've never been in bad health. But I could tell you, walking 4 miles a day, as you can see, up and down hills for most of it, makes me feel pretty darn good. I think it's working. I need to show you more sunset views. So pretty. It's 9 o'clock at night right now. Pretty, huh? It's quite a treat being able to stay here, camp here. It's definitely in my top 5 favorite places to camp of all times, and might even be in the top 3, especially since there's swimming. And water is a big one. Beautiful sunsets, mountain views. Yeah, it's got pretty much everything. Olive, come on. Good girl, come on. Good girl. Oh, did you smell something? As you can see, she will stop on a dime for a good sniff. Come on, Olive. It's kind of ridiculous that I'm hoping for the sun to go away, but sometimes the sun is not your friend, especially when just overexposed. My skin, I'm trying to hide my face with my hat, and the water's beautiful, but you can only go into it for so long because there's no shade. Now I'm hearing thunder, so that's definitely a storm. But it doesn't seem to be coming this way. It seems to be just missing us and going that way. Yeah, and it hasn't brought any shade over here, any relief from the sun. But you can see it's shaded right across the water, which is not very far away. Hear it? It's been a while since I've heard thunder. This morning I woke up and the birds were singing in the tree right next to my van. There was a pronghorn, or a lot of people call them antelope, right up here on the hill looking down at me, munching on a bush. Had my little chipmunk friends running around the carpet here, and then saw a big lizard who was bobbing his head at me, and stuff like that. I get a lot of thrill out of. I love nature and wildlife. Olive is digging a hole under the van right now. She must be warm too. I guess I'm going to take her back in the water again. Wow, it's blowing in here. Something, some kind of storm. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, those people already lost their awning. Yikes. Well, it looks beautiful, but something is blowing in. Oh, somebody's boat blew over too. Can you see? Oh, it's a paddleboard, I think. Somebody's paddleboard blew over. Wow. It's actually raining. It makes me happy. It's like so rare that you get to see rain in these parts. I thought the storm was going to blow over because it's still kind of blue over us. But it is raining. And the temperature is dropping, which is good. Because it was in the 80s. And now it's probably, well, drop a few degrees. My quiet beach retreat is filling up. Got a bunch of new neighbors. And some of them are playing with a, what would you call that? Not a parachute, but I don't know. He just like jumped off the hill, off the cliff on purpose, and now he's trying to control it. They're having fun. I think they were trying to get good Instagram shots. Olive and I just went for a very long walk, and when I got back, she looked at me and barked in my face. I don't know if that was thank you or let's keep going. And she's got a sand mustache or sand beard. Yeah. Olive, what do you want? Did you go for a walk? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. Why are you going crazy? You smiling? You got a big smile? You got a big smile? Olive, that's enough barking. So the herd of pronghorn are right in front of us. Hey, enough. This is one of the best sunsets I've seen in a long time. Actually, it's kind of going away now. It was kind of stormy today. And it still looks that way. There's still lightning back over here. Everything is glowing. It's so beautiful.